So on this lesson we are going to learn how we can integrate Chat GPT and create our presentation. So over here you can see that we have already opened up our Chat GPT and we are using Chat GPT 3.0, and over here we are going to search for PowerPoint presentation for PowerPoint slide watermelon with four slides. So let's enter, and you will see that it will give us a very good amount of information that we can use it on our PowerPoint presentation. And to be honest, you can use this for most of your PowerPoint. So if you have short time but you have to prepare your presentation, you can use this PowerPoint. So for here you can see that we have the slide number 1. The title would be the wonderful world of watermelon, introduction to the watermelon, engaging visual we will place. So now from here you can see that for our first title we need introduction to the topic watermelon and engage visual representation for the watermelon. So first we need an introduction for the watermelon. Let's copy it and paste it over here, and it will give us an introduction for this topic. See how easily we have been able to bring out the introduction. Then we have to select the title slide 2. Let's copy it and paste it over here. Similar for slide 3. And 4. So it gives you more in depth of the documentation. For now let's just select all of them and let's go to our Microsoft Word. So let's go to Microsoft Word and let's create a new documentation, and let's put all of the slide over here. So now over here you can see that I have made this slide 1 as level 1. So let's just keep the title over here, and then let's create this as level 1 as well. So this every level will become one of the slide for our presentation. Okay, and we will make this also as level 1. Let's fix all of this. And this fun fact would be level 1 as well. Great. Now let's save it. Let's go to file, save as, on download watermelon. Let's save it. All right, so now let's go to file. Let's open that outline browser and watermelon. Let's open it, and it will start implementing all of that slide topic and all of the visual presentation. So over here you can see that we have already able to bring all of the text on our presentation. Now we are going to design all of them. So for doing that we will go to design. From here we will look for a theme that will be applicable. So let's select very basic theme right now. Let's select this theme, and you can see that we have able to create our very first presentation. You can change the color palette and so on. So you can edit this, you can change its text format Also you can increase, decrease all of these parts. So now, introduction to the topic of watermelon, we will go to our Chat GPT and we will bring all of those points. Let's copy and let's paste it over here. Great. Right now we have our introductions as well. So let us align it. Let's place it in the middle. Let's create it a little bit larger. All right, and I want this to be little bit larger, but the sentence structure should be capitalized each letter or sentence case. All right, so now we have to place a picture. So for doing that, let's go to insert, under which let's look for 3D models if we have any watermelon. Yes, we have 1 and 2. So let's select one of them, insert. And right now you can see that I have able to bring out the watermelon. So I can change its position, shapes, right? So let's keep this position and let's just adjust them a little bit. We can also insert the background. Let's change the background. Let's change the background. So let's change the color to something as reddish. All right, okay, and we can increase or decrease the transparency even. So right now you can see that we have able to change the color. For this one, let's try to change its background. So you can see over here, format background. So over here we want to bring the picture, right? Or let's set a pattern. So over here you can see we have multiple pattern. So related to our theme, we can select them. You can change the foreground color as well and also the background color. So this is how you can very easily change your backgrounds. So over here you have this slide size. You can have widescreen 16:9 or you can have the standard to ensure the fit. So for example, this is the maximized one and this is the smaller one. You can even change it to widescreen. So let's go and bring a picture. So we can select a picture from here. Let's go and find a picture. Over here we couldn't find any one of them, so let's go to online search. So from here let's select this picture, let's insert it. and you can see that watermelon have been placed over here, and we can increase or decrease its transparency. If we change this text color, let's go to insert, let's change it to home and change the text color to something more darker, and let's change this bullet point to dark color as well. We can place some shape behind it, so let's go and put a shape behind this text. Let's send it to back, and we can change the transparency to let's make transparency to 40 and change the color to black maybe. All right, and let's change the text color to white. Home, and let's change the text color to white, and very easily we have able to create our second slide. Now I want to change with gradient. So on this gradient you can see we have some keys. So this key ensure us the way this gradient will work. All right, so when you click on the color, let's select the red color. You can select all of the color from here. You can change all of the gradient color. Let's select red. You can change the angle to 80-70%. You can make it radial, you can make it path or shade from the title. So let's keep it as radial. The grid view would be similar to this. So let's come back over here, and this is how you can create your gradient color. All right, so now let's change this color, and we can use some smart objects over here. So for example, let's use the smart art, and over here I want to use this kind of bullet point. All right, and over here let's delete it. Let's go to insert smart art, and let's use this kind of smart art. So over here you can write, let's copy this one and paste it over here, topic 1. Then let's cut it and paste it over here, topic 2. All right, and now what we can do is let me just delete it. We can just modify it. For example, let's delete this box and let's bring it over here. Let's adjust this, and over here we can include the title. So let's go and bring some description. Let's copy this for now. Let's go to PowerPoint, and let's place this text over here. Now very easily we have able to create this smart object. We can change this smart object color from this format shape tool and make your own creative style to use this as well. So now if we go to this present option, this is our first presentation, second, and the third one. So this is how you can very easily use your PowerPoint with ChatGPT and create multiple type of presentation with different design element that we have learned earlier. I hope you have understood how to do this. See you on the next lesson.